The robots are coming for your job. It's a headline we've all seen, a fear whispered in many workplaces. But what if that wasn't the whole story? What if the very AI tools poised to automate tasks weren't just threats, but powerful allies? Imagine boosting your productivity by 5x, handling projects in hours that used to take days, or even creating entirely new income streams, all by leveraging the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. If you're feeling the anxiety of AI's rapid advance, or simply want to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world, then this video is absolutely essential. We're going to dive into 5 groundbreaking AI tools that aren't just buzzwords. They're game changers that can either replace the tasks you do, or, far more excitingly, supercharge your capabilities, making you indispensable. Stick with us because understanding and integrating these technologies isn't just about career survival. It's about unlocking unprecedented efficiency, creativity, and opportunity. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's your future, starting right now. The landscape of work is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by artificial intelligence. From automating mundane data entry to generating creative content, AI is rapidly proving its capability across a spectrum of industries. The key distinction we need to grasp is that AI isn't simply about machines performing human tasks. It's about augmenting human potential, handling the repetitive, time-consuming aspects of our jobs so we can focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and strategic problem-solving. This shift demands a new skill set, not just knowing how to do a job, but knowing how to leverage AI to do it better, faster, and more effectively. The tools we're about to explore exemplify this paradigm shift. They represent the cutting edge of what's possible, offering tangible benefits that range from automating complex research to crafting compelling marketing copy, designing stunning visuals, and even streamlining your coding efforts. Ignoring these advancements is no longer an option. Embracing them is a pathway to unprecedented professional growth and a significant competitive advantage in the modern workforce. They are transforming roles from marketing to development, from design to data analysis. And understanding their application is critical for anyone looking to not just survive, but thrive in the AI-powered economy. We're talking about tools that can literally save you hundreds of hours a year, allowing you to take on more projects, innovate faster, or simply reclaim valuable personal time. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Our first game changer, and perhaps the most widely recognized, is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This powerful large language model has revolutionized how we interact with information and generate text. Its creator, Sam Altman, alongside the visionary team at OpenAI, has pushed the boundaries of conversational AI, making complex language generation accessible to millions. At its core, ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. Its utility spans an incredible range, from drafting emails and writing code to brainstorming ideas and summarizing lengthy documents. It's essentially a superpowered assistant that can accelerate nearly any text-based task. To truly supercharge your job with ChatGPT, it's not enough to just ask it a question. The magic lies in prompt engineering. Think of it as learning a new language to communicate with an incredibly intelligent, but literal, intern. Instead of asking, "Write me an email," try draft a concise, professional email to a client confirming a meeting on Tuesday at 10 a.m., including a brief agenda for Project X. Adopt a friendly, yet firm tone. The more specific your instructions, the better the output. For marketing professionals, ChatGPT can generate blog post outlines, social media captions, ad copy variations, and even entire content calendars. Consider using it for competitive analysis by asking it to summarize industry trends or compare product features. For developers, it can debug code, write functions, explain complex programming concepts, or even translate code between languages. Imagine being stuck on a coding problem and instantly getting multiple potential solutions and explanations. For customer service, it can draft quick, personalized responses to common inquiries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. The importance of ChatGPT lies in its ability to dramatically reduce the time spent on initial drafts, research synthesis, and repetitive writing tasks, allowing you to focus on refining, strategizing, and adding that uniquely human touch. It's not about replacing the writer or the coder, but about giving them a turbo boost. 2. Midjourney, DALL-E 2 next. We delve into the mesmerizing world of AI-generated imagery with Midjourney and DALL-E 2. While different teams develop them, Midjourney by David Holtz's independent research lab and DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. Their core function is similar, transforming text prompts into stunning visual art and realistic images. These tools are reshaping creative industries, from graphic design to marketing and even filmmaking. They've democratized image creation, allowing anyone to generate high-quality visuals without needing advanced design software or artistic skills. For designers, marketers, content creators, and even small business owners, Midjourney and DALL-E 2 are revolutionary. Imagine needing a unique header image for a blog post, a visual concept for an ad campaign, or an illustration for a presentation. Instead of spending hours searching stock photos or commissioning a designer, you can type a descriptive prompt like a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights, cyberpunk style, high detail, and instantly get multiple variations. You can iterate on these, refining elements like lighting, style, or perspective. For social media managers, generating unique and engaging visuals on the fly means never running out of fresh content. This is not to say traditional artists are obsolete. Rather, these tools become powerful collaborators. Artists can use them to rapidly prototype ideas, explore different styles, or generate background elements, freeing them to focus on the intricate details and emotional core of their work. Photographers can use them to composite images or create entirely new scenes that would be impossible to capture in real life. The importance of these tools lies in accelerating the creative process, reducing the cost and time associated with visual content production, and empowering individuals without traditional art skills to bring their visions to life. It's a creative explosion, allowing for a level of visual experimentation and production speed previously unimaginable. 3. Synthesia. Moving into the realm of video, we have Synthesia, a groundbreaking AI video generation platform. Co-founded by Victor Ripari and his team, Synthesia allows users to create professional quality videos with AI-generated, human avatars speaking your script in various languages. It effectively eliminates the need for cameras, microphones, actors, or even traditional video editing software for many types of content. Synthesia is a massive game-changer for anyone involved in corporate training, e-learning, marketing, internal communications, or even just creating explicable videos. Imagine needing to produce a training module for a new software feature. Instead of hiring an actor, finding a studio recording and editing, you simply type your script into Synthesia, select an AI avatar from their diverse library, choose a voice, or upload your own, and within minutes, you have a polished video. It's incredibly efficient for creating multilingual content, as you can simply translate your script and have the same avatar speak in a new language, complete with lip sync. For marketers, generating personalized video messages at scale for sales leads becomes incredibly feasible. For HR departments, onboarding videos or policy updates can be produced quickly and consistently. The importance of Synthesia lies in its ability to drastically reduce the cost, time, and complexity of video production. It allows individuals and organizations to communicate through video much more frequently and effectively, democratizing the medium that was once expensive and time-consuming. It doesn't replace the need for compelling scripts or strategic thinking, but it completely transforms the execution of video content. 4. GitHub Copilot. For software developers, our fourth tool, GitHub Copilot, is an absolute game-changer. Co-created by GitHub and OpenAI, building on OpenAI's Codex model, Copilot acts as an AI pair programmer, integrating directly into popular integrated development environments, IDEs, like VS Code. It provides real-time code suggestions, auto-completes lines, and even generates entire functions based on comments or partial code. GitHub Copilot doesn't write your entire application for you, but it significantly accelerates the coding process. Imagine you're starting to write a function to parse a JSON file. As you type a comment like #function to parse JSON and extract user data, Copilot immediately suggests a complete function, including imports, variable declarations, and logic. You can then accept, modify, or ignore the suggestion. For seasoned developers, it handles boilerplate code, repetitive tasks, and can even suggest solutions for common problems, allowing them to focus on complex architectural challenges and logic. For junior developers, it acts as a phenomenal learning tool, exposing them to best practices and efficient ways to write code across various languages and frameworks. Its importance lies in boosting developer productivity, reducing context switching, and potentially lowering the barrier to entry for certain programming tasks. It frees developers from tedious syntax recall, allowing them to focus on the problem-solving aspect of their job, thereby making their work more efficient and potentially more enjoyable. It's an augmentation, not a replacement, making coders faster and more effective. 5. Zapier, with AI integrations. Our final essential AI tool isn't a single generative AI like the others, but an incredibly powerful automation platform, Zapier, co-founded by Wade Foster and his team. What makes Zapier so critical in the age of AI is its ability to connect thousands of different web applications and, crucially, integrate the power of AI into these connections. While Zapier itself isn't a generative AI, its robust integration capabilities allow you to build workflows that leverage AI tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E 2, turning them into automated powerhouses. Zapier allows you to create Zaps automated workflows that connect two or more apps. For example, when you get a new email, App 1, Zapier can automatically add the sender's details to a spreadsheet, App 2. Now imagine integrating AI into that. For marketers, a Zap could monitor social media mentions for your brand. When a new mention appears, Zapier could feed that mention into ChatGPT, asking it to draft a personalized, positive response, then automatically post it to the relevant platform. This means consistent, instant engagement without manual oversight. For sales professionals, a new lead captured via a web form could trigger Zapier to send the lead's information to an AI tool that analyzes their needs and drafts a tailored follow-up email all before you even open your inbox.